Now my friends, we're gonna work on the download images function. Okay, it's actually pretty simple. There are two ways to do it. You can like generate like e-links, okay, or e-tags, okay, and then have the href to be like the link of the image, and then the attribute download, and that's gonna help us, you know, click it and it's gonna download. Okay, but there is an easier way using a package, which is the file saver. Okay, we don't have to create any e tags and set the parameters or anything. We can use the file saver. It's actually pretty simple. You need me take the install from here. Okay, let me now go back right here, open the terminal, let me open a new tab, and then in the front end make sure, okay, and then install it, my file saver, and then we are right here. Okay, so this is where we're gonna have it, so we can import it first. Let me just get the import from here. Okay, let me just see it, this one. Okay, and then import it. Let me import it right here, and now let me just search for the download button. Okay, I actually don't know what it is. Okay, this one, download, and then download. Okay, let me just have it inside the div as we've did before, simply like that, and this is inside it, and then this div is gonna have an on click. Okay, the function is gonna be download images, like that. Okay, you used the typo, so let me go back right here, and then const, it's gonna be an async function, and right here, okay, another typo. And now we're gonna just go through all the post images. Okay, I'm gonna go to the post. If I have it right here, okay, I don't have it, so I need to pass them. Yeah, we should have just passed the post and then take whatever you want. This is just not the right way. Okay, I prefer you just pass the whole post. Okay, this is just not right. Too many properties, but it's not gonna be a problem, but it is like kind of annoying. So I'm gonna just pass the images now that we already in this. Let me take the images, go back to the post menu, and get them from the props. So we're gonna go through the images, dot map, and we're gonna get every single image. Okay, all right, so what I'm gonna do, use the save as. Okay, the first property is gonna be like the URL of this image, which is gonna be the image.url. If you remember, every single image represented in the URL. Okay, and then the file name image.jpg. okay, like that, and that's actually all you need to do. It's nothing much. Let me go back right here, and now let me try this. So let me refresh. Okay, and now let me try. So we're gonna start, we have two images. You can click right here and then download. Okay, and we're gonna have the two images being downloaded. Okay, so you use the file name, but you can like use the name of the image if you want. So let me open and show you first. Okay, and as you see, the image being downloaded. Such an easy package to use in any different scenario you can. Okay, you can have one image, it doesn't matter, and it's gonna keep its quality also. And you have the image right here. Just for the name, if you want to change the name and make it the name of the file, you can do that. Okay, what is the name of it? Yeah, we don't have actually the name of it. Okay, we don't know the name, we don't have this attribute in the database. Let me just show you. Oh, not this one. Where is it? This one. Okay, let me just disconnect from here, go back to this one, go back to Facebook, and then we're gonna go to the posts, and then the images. Where are the images? Okay, so like this one. Yeah, we just have the URL. Yeah, we don't have it. Like you can do a function that generates like random numbers, like random names, and have like a certain beginning, like image, then 1, 2, 3, depending on what you want. But this is the function. Anything you want to do else, it's just gonna be part of your creativity. Okay, we don't have the download right here. Okay, also we don't have them right here, only with the pictures that has the images, and that's very cool. Like for this one right here, download, and you say gonna download this image, so everything is fine. So see you next.